All right, so we're going to reduce this to lowest terms. So the first thing I can see is I have a trinomial here and here. So we have b squared minus 2bc plus c squared minus a squared over a squared minus 2ab plus b squared minus c squared. Okay, so now here I'm going to factor this out. So I'm going to have this and this minus a squared. And then down here, I'm going to have this and this minus c squared. All right, so I know b times b gives me b squared. And remember, if I have negative c here and negative c here, I know negative c times negative c gives me that c squared. And b times negative c is negative bc, and negative c times b is negative bc. So I'll have two negative bc's. So this is the factored form of this trinomial here. Now here I do the same thing. I'll have a minus b and a minus b. Okay, so hopefully you can see, instead of writing b minus c times b minus c, I'll write b minus c squared minus a squared over, and then I'll have a minus b squared minus c squared. And now we have a difference of squares. So I can write this as here, 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 here. This will be b minus c plus a and b minus c minus a. Right? Because this times this is b minus c squared. This times negative a is negative a times that. This will be positive a times that. So the middle term will cancel. And a times negative a is negative a squared. I do the same on the bottom. I'll have a minus b plus c. And then a minus b minus c. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these parentheses in these brackets. So I'll have b minus c plus a. I'll have b minus c minus a over a minus b plus c, a minus b minus c. Okay, so I can see that if I factor out a negative from this term here, I would have positive b, negative a, and negative c. So let me go ahead and factor out a negative. So I'll have that b minus c plus a, and then b minus c minus a over, so here, this is the one I'm factoring the negative from, so this will be b minus c minus a. And then this will be that a minus b minus c. So the b minus c minus a's cancel, and we're left with negative b minus c plus a over a minus b minus c. And this is the reduced form of this guy here.